Welcome to Did You Know? Today we have 10 fascinating questions about science. Try to answer each question before time runs out. Let's go. Question 1. What is the deepest part of the ocean that has been explored by humans? Your options are A. Mariana Trench, B. Great Blue Hole, C. Lake Baikal, D. Grand Canyon. The answer is Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench, located in the Pacific Ocean, is the lowest point on Earth, with a maximum depth of approximately 36,000 feet. The Challenger Deep expedition reached this extreme depth in 1960. And here's a fun fact: the pressure at this depth is over 1,000 times greater than the standard atmospheric pressure. Question 2. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the air? Your options are A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Transpiration, D. Evaporation. The answer is transpiration. Plants undergo transpiration, releasing water vapor into the atmosphere through their leaves. This helps to regulate temperature and maintain a stable climate. And here's a fun fact: transpiration accounts for about 10% of the moisture in the Earth's atmosphere. Question 3. What is the longest recorded duration of a person surviving without food? Your options are A. 30 days, B. 60 days, C. 90 days, D. 382 days. The answer is 382 days. Angus Barbery, a Scottish man, survived for 382 days from June 1965 to July 1966 on only water and supplements. His case study provided valuable insights into human metabolism. And here's a fun fact: during this time, his weight decreased from 456 pounds to 180 pounds. Question 4. What is the term for the phenomenon where a liquid flows upwards against gravity? Your options are A. Capillary action, B. Diffusion, C. Osmosis, D. Adhesion. The answer is capillary action. Capillary action occurs when a liquid's adhesion to a surface such as glass or fabric and its cohesion allow it to flow upwards against gravity. And here's a fun fact: this phenomenon helps plants absorb water from the soil. Question 5. What is the world's driest desert? Your options are A. Atacama Desert, B. Sahara Desert, C. Gobi Desert, D. Mojave Desert. The answer is Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert in Chile holds the record for the lowest rainfall, with some areas receiving less than 0.01 inches (0.25 mm) of rain per year. And here's a fun fact: some regions in this desert have not seen significant rainfall in over 400 years. Question 6. What is the only living thing that can turn its body into a crystal? Your options are A. Aphids, B. Caterpillars, C. Tardigrades, D. Sea slugs. The answer is tardigrades. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades, also known as water bears, can undergo cryptobiosis, transforming their bodies into a crystalline state to conserve energy. And here's a fun fact: this unique adaptation allows them to survive in space. Question 7. What percentage of the world's population has a rare genetic trait that makes them resistant to a specific disease? Your options are A. 1%, B. 5%, C. 10%, D. 15%. The answer is 1%. Approximately 1% of the global population carries a rare genetic mutation that confers resistance to HIV, the virus that causes AIDS. And here's a fun fact. This discovery has led to new approaches in developing treatments and vaccines. Question 8. What is the world's longest mountain range? Your options are A. Andes, B. Himalayas, C. Rocky Mountains, D. Mid-Ocean Ridge. The answer is Mid-Ocean Ridge. The Mid-Ocean Ridge, which runs along the floor of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, is the world's longest mountain range, stretching over 40,000 miles, 64,000 km. And here's a fun fact. It forms as a result of plate tectonics and oceanic crust creation. Question 9. What percentage of the Earth's fresh water is contained in glaciers? Your options are A. 20%, B. 30%, C. 50%, D. 70%. The answer is 70%. Approximately 70% of the world's freshwater is stored in glaciers, which cover about 10% of the Earth's land area. And here's a fun fact. Glaciers help regulate sea levels and influence global climate patterns. Question 10. What is the term for the phenomenon where a solid changes directly to a gas? Your options are A. Melting, B. Boiling, C. Sublimation, D. Condensation. The answer is sublimation. Sublimation occurs when a solid, like dry ice or iodine crystals, transforms directly into a gas without passing through the liquid phase. And here's a fun fact. This process is used in various industrial applications. Thanks for watching. Did you know? If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating facts.